Hello, Wander Wings. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon to get notified about our latest travel tips and adventures. Today, we're diving into a topic that every traveler faces: packing light for a flight. Whether you're going on a weekend getaway or a month-long adventure, these 7 tips will help you pack efficiently and travel with ease. Let's get started. Tip number 1. Choose the right bag. Opt for a lightweight, durable carry-on suitcase or backpack. Look for one with multiple compartments to keep your items organized. The right bag can make a world of difference when you're trying to pack light. Tip number 2. Pack versatile clothing. Choose items that can be mixed and matched to create multiple outfits. Stick to a neutral color palette, so everything goes together. For example, a pair of jeans, a couple of t-shirts, and a versatile jacket can take you a long way. Tip number 3. Roll, don't fold. Rolling your clothes not only saves space but also helps prevent wrinkles. It's a tried and true method used by many frequent travelers. Give it a try, and you'll be amazed at how much more you can fit into your bag. Tip number 4. Use packing cubes. These handy little organizers keep your clothes and accessories in order and make it easy to find what you need without rummaging through your entire bag. They also help compress your clothes, saving even more space. Tip number 5. Go travel size. Invest in travel size toiletries or transfer your favorite products into small, reusable containers. This not only saves space but also keeps you within the liquid limits for carry-on bags. Remember, less is more when it comes to toiletries. Tip number 6. Wear your bulkiest items. If you're bringing a heavy jacket, boots, or a bulky sweater, wear them on the plane. This frees up valuable space in your bag and keeps you warm and comfortable during your flight. Tip number 7. Keep it simple and weigh your bag. Stick to the essentials and avoid packing just-in-case items. If you need something while you're traveling, you can usually buy it at your destination. Use a digital luggage scale to ensure your bag meets airline weight requirements before you leave for the airport. And there you have it, 7 tips to help you pack light for your next flight. Remember, packing light not only makes your journey easier but also saves you time and money. Thanks for watching, and if you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow travelers. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your favorite packing tips or any questions you have about traveling light. Until next time, happy travels, and see you in the next video. Safe travels, Wander Wings. And remember, the best journeys are the ones where you pack light and travel far. Bye for now.